SavePoint, the ultimate solution for handheld gaming versatility. With SavePoint, you can effortlessly switch between Windows on your Steam Deck or SteamOS on your ROG Ally, turning your handheld into a multifunctional gaming powerhouse. No hacking required. Let's face it, no handheld system is perfect. While SteamOS offers a console-like experience, it's limited by anti-cheat restrictions, incompatible games, and just flat-out missing out on app stores like Epic Games and GOG. Pop in SavePoint with Windows, and access to all these games open up. And perhaps most importantly, you unlock Game Pass, giving you access to over 400 games offline on your Steam Deck. It's a total game changer. And to help you get you through your newfound backlog of games, we've also added 100-watt pass-through charging. This way, you can keep your handheld powered during those marathon gaming sessions. With up to 2 terabytes of storage, SavePoint can hold entire game libraries at your fingertips, including the top 50 most played Steam Deck games this month. Our unique heatsink design keeps your device cool under pressure, ensuring peak performance, while our capacitor prevents data loss and corruption. SavePoint secures to your console or case with MagSafe. And yes, it's been tested to avoid interfering with your console fans. And it's not just for gaming. Attach it to your iPhone and unlock 4K 60 ProRes recording, making it perfect for content creators. SavePoint is the simplest and most portable way to quickly add 2 terabytes of storage to any of your favorite devices. Because we could all use a few more games, right? Hey guys, it's Eddie from GENKI. It's hard to believe this is already our 6th Kickstarter. Crowdfunding allows us to remain independent and boldly experiment with new ideas. We're always excited to share with our community of backers behind the scenes of launching a product and giving early access to them. Thank you once again for supporting GENKI and our indie hardware development journey over these years.